Hey guys, welcome to CrazyTech, and today in this video I'm gonna unbox this product which I have recently bought from Amazon. ये एक गेमिंग माउस है and this is very cheap. I bought it at just rupees 350. ये Dragonwar का एक माउस है. मैं already Dragonwar का माउस यूज़ कर चुका हूँ and the experience was good. As per my experience, longevity और rough use में gaming mouse is any day better than normal mouse. ये RGB version नहीं है. आप इसका फीचर बॉक्स पे देख सकते हैं. इसमें दो एक्स्ट्रा प्रोग्रामेबल कीज़ एंड 4 DPI सेंस है. गोल्ड प्लेटेड USB फॉर बेटर कनेक्टिविटी एंड द केबल क्वालिटी इज जस्ट सुपर्ब. In terms of looks, this mouse looks really good. Only downside इसमें RGB LED नहीं है. But considered to the price, it's a good deal any day. The mouse is really comfortable to use, very handy, responsive, very good clicky feedbacks. अगर आप casual gaming करते हैं, you can go for this mouse. But for serious competitive gamers, I don't recommend it. And those who don't play games, no problem. आप इस mouse को ले सकते हैं because इसकी longevity भी अच्छी है compared to normal mouse. अगर सपोर्ट की बात करें तो ये विंडोज़ और मैक दोनों ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम में काम करेगा. तो गाइस, अगर आप 350 रुपये में एक अच्छी गेमिंग माउस ख़रीदना चाहते हैं तो आप इसको ख़रीद सकते हैं. I hope this product may not disappoint you. So guys, that's it for this video. Thank you guys for watching. If you like this video, do hit that like button, and for more videos like this, stay tuned with me by subscribing my channel. See you soon. Hope you guys have a great day.